Hi student, this is 8th class, chapter 20, Mineral and Power Resources. Now we will know minerals. Mineral is a naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition. Minerals are always found in a rock. Now types of minerals. There are broad types of minerals. Classification is given here. Metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are two types, ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals in manganese, cobalt, etc. Non-ferrous minerals, copper, lead, tin, etc. Non-metallic minerals like the mica, salt, potash and sulfur. Now, extraction of minerals. Minerals extractions done three types: mining, drilling, quarrying. Mining has two types, open cast mining and shaft mining. Now we will discuss what is open cast mining. When minerals lie at a shallow depth, these are taken out by removing the surface layer. This is called open cast mining. Second, shaft mining. When the minerals are found at a great depth, these can be taken out only through the deep bores, which are called shaft mining. Such mining is called shaft mining. So, drilling. Petroleum and natural gas occur far below the Earth's surface. Deep wells are bored to take them out, and this process is called drilling. Quarrying. With the help of quarrying, we take out the minerals lie near the Earth's surface. Now, the distribution of minerals. For in the distribution of minerals, minerals are found, the metallic minerals such as the iron, manganese, etc., mainly found in the igneous rocks, and in the sedimentary rocks. This is a house of coal, petroleum, natural gas, and some non-metallic minerals like the limestone, gypsum. Now, iron ore. Iron ore, it is an important basic mineral as it provides the base for the other industries. It has four types like the hematite, magnetite, limonite and siderite. Magnetite and hematite is a good quality mineral, like the 70% and respectively 50 to 60% accumulation of magnet. Its producing areas: Russia, USA, Ukraine, India, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Sweden, Venezuela, etc. The Commonwealth of the independent states are the largest producer of iron ore. Manganese is used to prepare alloy with a steel combination of iron. It is used in bleaching powder, paint, plastic, varnish, and gauze pottery. The bauxite. We get bauxite from aluminium. We get aluminium from the bauxite. Now, bauxite is used in aircraft, utensils, electric appliances. Next, copper. Copper is used in the electrical industries to make the wire, other appliances also, alloys such as the brass and bronze. Now, its producing areas in the world: USA, Chile, Russia, Canada, Zambia, Zaire, Peru, Poland and India. Tin. Tin may be platinum thin sheet of the steel. Tin is mainly found in the metamorphic rocks. Malaysia is the largest producer of tin. Gold. Gold is a precious metal, especially to make the ornament. Now we will discuss the zinc and lead. These are called the twins minerals, zinc and lead. ठीक है? Paint, medicines, automobiles, it is used in making. Clear? Now the distribution of minerals in the different countries. Asia में China, India have the large iron ore deposits. In Europe, Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. The Canadian shield of the North America continent, iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium are properly found. In the Western Cordillera, it has a vast deposit of copper, lead, zinc and gold. Next, the distribution of minerals. In India, there is some belt where the minerals are found. The Jharkhand Odisha belt, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra belt, Karnataka Tamil Nadu belt, Rajasthan Gujarat belt, Kerala and Himalayan regions belt. Now, the power or energy resources. there are the two types of energy resources: conventional source of energy, non-conventional source of energy. In conventional source of energy, there is firewood, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and electricity, hydroelectricity, and the thermal electricity. And in the non-conventional source of energy, solar energy, wind energy, nuclear energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy, and biogas. Thank you. Have a nice day. Chapter 20, the minerals and power resources, class 8. In this video, we will discuss the powers and energy resources. Conventional source of energy. In the conventional source of energy are included to which we are using from the long period. First, firewood. Firewood is mostly used in the villages areas. More than 50 energy requirement is fulfilled by the firewood in the Indian villages. Coal, it is a different variety coal like the peat, lignite, bituminous, and anthracite. The anthracite is a good quality coal which is contain 90% of the carbon. China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, France are the leading producer of coal. In India, Jharkhand is the main producer of coal, where the mine are Raniganj, Jharia, and Bokaro. Now petroleum. Petroleum, it is used widely in the industries, machineries, factories, aeroplane, kerosene. Also, kerosene, diesel, gasoline, wax, lubricants are made from the petroleums after the refining. Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Qatar are the chief petroleum producing countries in the world. USA, Russia, Venezuela, Algeria are other major producers. Natural gas. Natural gas is found with the petroleum deposits and released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It is known as environment friendly, cheaper than the oil. Russia, Norway, UK, Netherlands are the major producer of natural gas. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, and Tripura, West Gujarat, Mumbai High, Kaveri, Krishna, and Godavari basins are full of natural gas. Now we'll discuss electricity. Electricity has two types: hydroelectricity and the thermal electricity. Now hydroelectricity, it is produced by the water falling from the height. The falling water flow through the pipes and over the turbines blades placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades turn the generator which produce the electricity. Leading producers of hydropower are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, China. Bhakra Nagal Dam, Gandhi Sagar Dam, Nagarjun Sagar, Damodar Valley projects are some important hydropower in India. Now the thermal electricity produce a heat by heat is called the thermal electricity. It is produced by the petroleum, coal, natural gas. In India, most of energy requirement, about the 70%, is fulfilled by the thermal electricity. Now we will discuss the non-conventional source of energy. In the non-conventional source of energy, we use which are searched newly, which we are using at present, which not exhausted. First is solar energy. The sun is the ultimate source of energy. All the living things over the earth's surface, solar energy trapped from the sun can be used in the solar cell. Clear? Now the areas for the solar energy. Badla village of Rajasthan, Jodhpur, means most of part of Rajasthan is used to produce solar energy. Wind energy is an inexhaustible source of energy. Windmills are used to produce electricity. In India is also called the wind superpower due to the rapid development in wind energy. Nuclear energy power is obtained from the naturally occurring radioactive elements like the uranium and thorium. These fuels undergo nuclear fission in the nuclear factors and emit the power. USA and Europe are the great producer of nuclear power. Next, geothermal energy. To produce geothermal energy, Earth's heat used. As we go deep, Earth and temperature rises. At many places, this heat energy may come to the surface in the form of hot springs. It is used to develop the it is used to develop the stations for the geothermal energy. USA, New Zealand, Iceland, Philippines, and Central America are the important countries. Tidal energy is produced by the tide of the ocean. Energy generated tides and falls durations at the duration of tide and fall. Russia, France, Gulf of Kutch, India are the important places of the producing of tidal energy. Okay, biogas is the biogas also used for the domestic and other purposes. It is a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, student.